Right. You know what? I'm still updating my React Native Expo TypeScript app, and I was testing the app. So that's on my simulator on iOS. So what I do like is the images here. I'm happy with that. But now, as soon as I go to view breakfast deals, there are no photos there. And when I click view details, here, with of now, it doesn't work. It doesn't use a kind of an API I want. And same for the date, actually. It's not 2024, we are in 2025 now. So I'm updating this, so that's my prompt for now. You see, can you complete, so can you make the with of now button work? That's one. Then ensure breakfast, ensure the, how do you call that? A notice, the notice text are relevant and up to date and not just placeholder text that aren't accurate. So hopefully this will do it. But otherwise, I do like the style of the app. I mean, it's simple. I will take a screenshot and I will save it to my desktop. All right. So I save it to my desktop so it can be useful later to update the app listening on Apple Store. That will be for later anyway. So now I just need to wait this to be generated. And we are getting there, which is quite exciting. I can't wait to see what we get. Generate. That's always exciting. Like people say, oh, with AI, nothing is exciting anymore because everything is done for you. But just to see what AI will build for you, will code for you, and to improve your prompts and to be more specific, because otherwise AI doesn't have context of what you want. AI cannot read in your mind, and so improving your clarity and avoiding misunderstanding a little bit when you speak to someone, you have to give as much details as possible to prevent misunderstandings. And it's exactly the same with AI. So I think it's like a discussion with someone. It's really exciting. I don't think, okay, it's not the same job anymore, but I don't think our job as a software engineer is now boring. It's about improving and writing more efficient prompts so we don't have to repeat and to spend more time anymore. So yeah, I think this kind of a way to code is so good, but also you have to think, because AI doesn't always generate what you need, what you want, or what's correct or not. Stick with one tool that you really like, that you know so well. Don't be tempted to jump from one to another tool all the time, because otherwise it will slow you down. Be really efficient with one tool and ship really beautiful and efficient software, of course. So we are waiting for the home screen to be finished, and I believe that will be done after that. I will already generate my commit message. We are nearly there. Oh, no, that's not what I want to commit. Sorry. I apolog. That's not a commit. Usually it does that. I think it's I apologize. Sometimes it says that when it cannot, when it doesn't work. Okay, now I can commit that. And I can even open a new terminal here. And so I can have a look there. Yes, that's my second commit. Perfect. Here we are. Amazing. So we are nearly there, and after, what we want is basically to publish the app. I will quickly go to cursor settings. So you see, this is my rules at the moment. So for the comments, I saw this kind of comment: don't add irrelevant comments or patch comments. All right, I hope it will be more clear. Beautiful. I can close that. Automatically it saves for you, so you don't have to press a save button. I can close that. I can commit this. I can accept all once it's done. Again, you have to review it, but I'm quite confident here in what it did. I don't like export default. I prefer to have the export function instead, to export each function instead of the export default. That's not really my cup of tea, but yeah. I can also specify that in the rule file actually. Placeholder, yes, amazing. So we have to review after the code. We'll generate the commit again. Ah, it didn't work. Let's see. Come on. Yeah, it's not always working actually, the commit feature. Otherwise you just have to do it by yourself. Basically, it's a new file, right? So add new placeholder image component. Perfect. All right. Very exciting. So you see, this is a coding game actually. It's more about building the most robust and as close as possible to the requirements software, rather than spending weeks and months coding something that is buggy and far away from the initial given requirements. So AI is really good at that, and I'm happy we are in 2025 where we can have efficient and good AI tools for us, because of course AI is not new, but the AI we know as today is new. Oh yeah, that's hard-coded. Yeah, I want you to use API, please. Please use one or more party APIs. Fallbacks are needed, and or fallbacks. Sorry, fallbacks and or. Oh my god, if fallbacks are needed and or scrapping instead of hard-coded data. Perfect. Yeah, we do ask a lot, but this is an app. It doesn't have to be like just a test where all of the data are just dummy data. We don't want dummy data. Oops, that's an email I was reading, really interesting email. Yes, that's dummy data. We don't want dummy data. We want a real case, like a word example application that can be published and used for us. Same personal information doesn't work. We have to ask that as well. Yeah, AI is good, but it's also good at showing off, and so it looks amazing, but actually most of the that one does work, but I'm not sure if it saves. Probably no. The currency doesn't work because everything is hard coded. But it's already a nice template. I have to admit it's getting there. Yeah, and then we can sign in and sign out, but we don't have a backend. Yeah, let's see. Maybe we don't need actually to sign in and sign out. And the email, you see, it's also a dummy email. I'm not Alex. Who is Alex Johnson? No. That's not me. So yeah, there's still a bunch of things to update, but that's okay. And now it adds some environment variables, env variables. All right. So yeah, that's all for today. I wish you a happy AI coding, and I will see you in another video. Ciao, bye bye.